Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, I will be showing you okay, how to find stocks before they explode. As easy as that. So, as you can see, we are on Finvis. I mean, like, this is probably the thing that you want to do before basically, before I started the video. So you want to go on finvis.com, and what you want to do is click on the screener right here. Bam, you do that, and then you're taken out to this page. And what you hear, well, like what you're gonna do from here on? From here, like what I like to do is I just go on all. Okay, I don't want to look through these like sections separately. So I look like I just go ahead and click all. So what are we gonna filling? What are we gonna be doing, and what filters are gonna be filling today? So overall, there are not gonna be a lot of filters. No, so I would really want to click on trading view too. So let's just go like have it on the side because I'm going to be analyzing the stocks that I'm going to be picking. So just to kind of show you like what you need to do, and basically through every single thing that I go, I am going to be explaining it to you guys. So let's get straight to it. The first thing that I want to look at is the market cap. We want it to be plus small, okay? Market cap, we want it to be plus small or over $300 million. What does the market cap mean or market capitalization? Basically, as you see, you can just go over the mouse with your mouse, go over the word, and basically we'll show you. Basically, equals to the total dollar market value of all of a company's outstanding shares. As easy as that. Basically, the the amount of money that they have, I mean, the equals to the total dollar market value, okay, the value of the dollars of a company's outstanding shares. As easy as that. Then the next thing that we want to fill out will be the average volume, okay. What does the average volume mean? Average volume is, as you can see, the average number of shares traded in a secretary per day, or in simple words, uh, kind of average, okay, average number of shares traded back and forth that day, okay, of like in like prolonged period of time in secretary per day. So what we want to fill right here, well, it will be like over 300k. I always no, like you could probably go over 300k, 400k, even 500k if you want your stock to be like kind of liquid. But yeah, in this position, you can go through it like separately. You can basically use the same filter. It is always up to you. Like you're free to use but every one. But let's just go with over 500k. Okay, just like that. The next thing that we are gonna be filling will be the industries. Okay, so what do I mean when I say industry? So we're gonna be looking for stocks only or X funds as you see right here. So yeah, basically that cuts the number to around 2000. You feel me? And it was like, yeah, like not that big of a difference, but yeah, let's just go and look at like for stocks only. We don't want to be trading now like uh how do I say a fund or something like that. So yeah, just like that. And the last thing that we're gonna be no, this is the third last thing that we're going to be filling, and it will be the relative volume. Okay, what does the RVOL mean? I mean, I have been kind of showing you guys like what does RVOL mean. Let me just go on meaning, stock meaning. Okay, relative volume, oftentimes called RVOL, is an indicator that tells traders how current volume is compared to the past trading volumes over a given period. So, how is the like today's volume past to the like the previous trading days. So what we want for the relative volume for it to be over 1.5. So we want for today to for the stock to have a like slightly more like volatility, like from basically let's just for example let's say it's from to yesterday or 2 days to 1 week ago. You feel me? So we want it to be trading today around like 1.5 over the amount that it was trading in the past periods. You feel me? So, and as you can see, the higher the relative volume is, the more in play it is. So, the more in play is the stock. So, we want the stock to be like you could even go over 10. I, yeah, as you can see, we have like 18 stocks on the list. You can basically go and trade at two if you want. But the thing that we're going to be looking at right now will be over 1.5 or over 2. In this case, I will go with one, no, not 2, but 1.5. 1.5 is a sweet spot. You feel me? So yeah, everything that's one above 1.5. It's easy as that. The next thing that we're going to be filling is the 200-day simple moving average. I think that like if you're in the stock market, you basically know what that is, like the 20-day SMA or the 20-day MA. It's basically 20 200 days simple moving average of the closing prices in the mean of on the previous 200 days. Okay, basically the average of the last like 200 days or the closing price of the last 200 days and kind of the average that like yeah, it averages down. And in this case, what are we going to be looking at for? We're going to be looking at for the price to be above the SMA 200. Okay, why is that? Because this will give us a understanding that we're in a bullish trend. Because like we're looking at the 200-day simple moving average, we want the price to be above the SMA 200 in this case. Okay, and as you can see right now, we're left with 115 stocks on the chart. The next thing that we're going to be feeling is the 20-day simple moving average. Okay, and what we want it for, well, like with the 20-day simple moving average, is for it to be above the SMA 200. Okay, so SMA 50 to be above the SMA 200. So just like that. And the last thing, what were we going to be liking to see is the 200, the 20-day simple moving average, it to be the price to be above the SMA 20. Okay, so just like that. And right now we're left with 65 potential stocks that can explode. Okay, like I'm not going to be looking. Actually, we had a breakthrough structure right here with Asen. Great play. Also, we had a breakthrough right here. You see, it did catch the volatility and it managed to like fly back up. Let's go to the next window. This looks good. The Electronic Arts, so EA. I think that EA can like really break through the structure. As you can see, it is kind of in a ascending triangle, so it can really like right now it could be really be like bring like building enough tension for it to kind of break through the highs. Maybe kind of when it breaks them, you know how it goes. So let me just explain it for you. Like I don't want to talk like that, and I want you guys to understand me. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it moves. This is how the stock moves. Like at the moment. Okay, we're in this kind of a ascending triangle. Okay, and you know how the price moves. Okay, so if you take a look at this, this is like what we have at the moment. Okay, ascending triangle. Okay, and like when the price breaks through the structure right here, let me just show you what I mean by that. Like when you break through the structure right here, it has a lot of power. I mean, whenever like every time we break through the structure, like from for example these highs, also we have a high right here. So I hope that we can break through that too. So I'm going to be looking for kind of entries right about there. Maybe I will be setting my buy limit or so about there. And like if you scroll, can we kind of TP somewhere? No. So this overall is a whole like scanning triangle right here. You feel me? So yeah, you could be looking for a buy right there, but yeah, this is not like by itself is not the best thing that you can do. You need a lot more factors to for it to confirm that thing. But basically, that's like how you can find a live example on that. And yeah, guys, like that's about it for today. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. Consider liking and subscribing because every single day I post updates about stocks and also I post like one educational video out there. So if you're interested in that, like manage to subscribe or so. And peace out, guys, and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.